What clothes can you use to protect your body? Match the clothes that you can use for each body part. So, ano to?
Air.
San siya? Okay, so, connect it. Good job. Alam mo na lahat? Sige nga, let's see if you got it right. Parang something's wrong. Sige. Where's your, saan yung mali?
Is.
Ayun, good job. So, eto, saan siya? Turo mo. This one, hat. Saan? Okay, sa here. Ito, sa gloves. Sa hands. Good job. Tama ba? Okay. Etong pants, saan? Okay, tama ba? Let's see. Dapat dito. Dito mo siya lalagay.
Oh, kind.
Connect it here. And then yung socks. Okay. And then yung jacket. Where? Alright, good job, baby boy.